You're not stuck because of your circumstances. You're stuck because of your mindset. Let's break those chains in 120 seconds. Listen, your life isn't owned by your job, your parents, or your past mistakes. It's owned by your mind. The real prison is the story you keep telling yourself. Here's the truth you don't want to hear. You're addicted to comfort. You're high on excuses. You're choosing to stay small because it feels safe. You keep saying, "I'll change tomorrow." But tomorrow is just a fancy word for never. Here's another truth. Nobody's coming to save you. No coach, no book, no motivational speaker will hand you a magic pill. You're the only one who can tear down these walls. Stop scrolling. Stop searching for quick fixes. Look in the damn mirror. That's the only place you'll find your solution. Here's the shift you need to make today. Replace your addiction to comfort with an obsession for growth. Get uncomfortable. Choose discipline over drama. Commit to one tiny habit, one small action, and do it relentlessly. You think you're waiting for the right time? That's the biggest lie you're feeding yourself. There's never a perfect time. There's only now. So what's it going to be? Another day of excuses? Or the start of your own damn freedom? Break your chains. Do it now.